So I'm here today to talk to you about Olaplex No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Now this is a repairing moisture mask that adds 2 times more shine, 4 times more moisture and 6 times more smoothness. It's perfect for all hair types and textures, especially anyone with any visible damage. It includes an airless pump which allows you to get every last drop of the product. It is completely weightless, it's highly concentrated, it's so simple and easy to use. So all you want to do is, once you have washed and conditioned your hair, you could use this in replacement of your conditioner if you want to. So once your hair is all clean, you want to drain out any excess water, which allows the product to fully absorb into the hair. You want to apply 1 to 3 pumps depending on how long or how thick your hair is. And you want to apply from the mid-length to end and leave on for about 10 minutes. This product is best used alongside Olaplex No.3 and Olaplex No.0. We also have an Olaplex Trio where you can save when you purchase the Trio. It just makes your hair feel so much healthier, so much stronger, and it's just so repairing and it's just amazing. Hope you all have a lovely day. Bye!